Monday.com versus GoodDay, which is the best all-in-one work management tool? That's the question on a lot of people's minds, and after comparing both in depth, you'll want to stick around to hear which one actually holds up better in key areas. Both platforms offer powerful features, but are they the best options out there? Let's get into it. First off, Monday.com is one of the most popular project management tools on the market. It's known for its clean interface, customizable workflows, and automation features. With Monday, you can manage everything from simple tasks to complex projects with ease. It integrates with a ton of other apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom, making collaboration super easy for teams of all sizes. But here's the catch. Some users find the learning curve a little steep, and if you don't upgrade to a higher tier plan, the features can be limited, especially in reporting and advanced automation. Next thing, let's talk about GoodDay. GoodDay aims to offer a more streamlined approach to work management, and it really focuses on user experience. It has a simpler layout, which makes it easier for beginners to jump in and start using. The tool is also highly customizable, offering features like task management, time tracking, and reporting. It doesn't have as many integrations as Monday.com, but it does support the key ones. However, a drawback with GoodDay is its lack of advanced automation and reporting features compared to Monday.com, which might limit its scalability for larger teams. The third thing to consider is pricing. Monday.com starts at a higher base price for its basic plan, but it offers a lot more functionality right out of the box. You're getting what you pay for, but that price can add up quickly if you're a smaller team with a tight budget. GoodDay, on the other hand, is more affordable. Its pricing is competitive and offers decent features even on its lower tier plans. However, as teams grow and need more advanced features, they might feel like they've outgrown GoodDay pretty quickly. The fourth thing is the user experience. While Monday.com can feel a bit overwhelming at first with its many features and options, it provides a more in-depth control for power users. It's not the easiest platform to get used to, but once you've learned it, it offers high-level customization. GoodDay, however, is much easier to navigate and is ideal for those who want simplicity without compromising too much on functionality. If you don't need all the bells and whistles, GoodDay's user-friendly interface might be a better choice. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Monday.com really shines here, offering several options for team communication and collaboration. The ability to create boards, track progress visually, and assign tasks with clear deadlines is perfect for teams that need constant communication. GoodDay also offers collaboration tools, but it's not as robust. While you can assign tasks and track work, it lacks some of the visual appeal and options Monday.com provides for a seamless team workflow. The sixth thing, which is performance, is where Monday.com stands out. Its platform is fast, scalable, and can handle large teams with complex needs. GoodDay performs well for smaller teams, but larger organizations might notice slower load times or some lag when dealing with a significant amount of data. So, after trying both of these platforms extensively, here's the deal. Monday.com is fantastic for larger teams that need a fully featured, customizable platform with advanced tools and integrations. But it might feel overwhelming for smaller teams or those with simpler needs. GoodDay is a great choice for those who want simplicity, ease of use, and affordability without sacrificing too much in terms of features, though it lacks some of the advanced functionality that makes Monday.com so appealing for bigger operations. If you're looking for a better alternative for the goals mentioned in this video, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial of a tool that combines the best of both worlds. You'll get access to exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, and you can try it risk-free. Monday.com and GoodDay are solid choices for project management, but if you want something that delivers the features you need without the hassle, take advantage of the offer in the description and see for yourself.